Hello everyone. So in today's video we will talk about how to create a NumPy ND array object. So obviously you all know about ND array, full form n dimensional array. Okay. So NumPy is used to work with arrays. Okay. The array object in NumPy is called as ND array. Okay. So first of all, here we have very simple example, just like our previous video only. Import numpy as np, then arr equal to np dot array, and then 1 2 3 4 5, and then we are printing. But now we are printing one more thing, the type of this object. What is the type of this object? That is very important. Okay. And what is the meaning of type function? So it is a built-in Python function which will tell you that it is of which type of object has been passed. Okay. So here in this code, you all can see type, and inside the bracket we have ARR, this part. Okay, so obviously what it will show you that ARR is of which type? It is numpy dot ND array type. It is that variable or object, you can say. So we'll check the output first. Control S F5. Okay, see, we are getting answer 1 2 3 4 5. We are getting because of the print ARR, but the second line is very important. We are getting class, and the type of that class is numpy dot nd array type. Okay. The next thing is to create n dimensional array. Okay, it is not compulsory, or you can say that necessary, to have a list. Okay, inside the array function. This is array function. You can have a tuples also, but you will get the answer in the form of array only. If you want, suppose if I write a round bracket, here also suppose if I write a round bracket. Okay, see, it is now in the tuples form. Okay, but still we will get our answer in the form of arrays only. Okay, we will remove this type array because right now it is not required. Okay, so now print array and F5. Okay, see, we are getting answer with this square bracket only, that is in the form of array, not the tuples or anything, but you can pass. Okay, so that is all about this nd array object, like type and different data structure, list, tuples we can use. Okay, in my next video we will focus on zero dimensional array, one dimensional array, two dimensional array, three dimensional array, how to create that we will focus. Thank you everyone.